is a new venture, especially pharma. So it is our country is prospering. When hearing this type of news, no, naturally some kind of happiness will come. So what it happened, Mr. Reddy is already told that MSME, this year's our agenda was actually improving MSME and other retail sector. The reason also he has already told that because some of the corporate sector, because of the economic cycle, some of the industries are failing, and some of the industries we may not be able to give further advances. So as a planned strategy, we have changed our strategy from corporate sector to medium and small industries and retail sector. Most of the banks are doing that, but that does not mean that we are not stopping corporate sector, nothing, but that will continue as it is. But the thrust is given for MSME as well as retail sector, that as the government of India also is giving more thrust on MSME as well as the retail sector. The thing is that this MSME and SME is almost contributing around 36 to 38% of the GDP, and that will be the area where trust can be given. So that country also will prosper, and through prosperous of the MSME and other areas, our individual welfare also will increase. So as a conscious decision, banks is taken to improve this MSME and retail. This year we are continuously doing so many melas, and today fortunately all over India we are conducting around 2,400 branches are participating, and almost more than 2,500 crores of MSME as well as retail is dispersing. That is the reason that we are conducting today and tomorrow. And regarding that, why the concentration and how that this is doing, up to last year we don't have any specialized branches. We have some specialized branches, but the concentration is not given. This year we have planned around 40, at least 40 MSME branches are opening. Out of that, this is the 16th branch opened during the current year, and the balance will be opened before March. Like that, 40 branches for retail sector also. Almost 11 branches are already open, and in the process of opening of the other branches. This is like a hub and spoke model. How it is functioning is that these branches will be generating the lead, and the lead will be given to the MSME or retail sector, and they will collect the lead. This lead generation can be any kind of digital or mobile or whatever the may be, because through our ATMs, through mobile, if you give one SMS or if you give the mobile number, that is sufficient for the lead generation, and our people will come there to your doorstep and they will collect whatever the purpose required. And interesting thing is that turnaround time. Usually earlier it is happening around 15 days time, and we have seen that this new techniques, it is turnaround time is coming down to almost 6 to 7 days, and some of the cases if it is happening only 2 to 3 days also. So this model is functioning very well. So I request all the customers to support this type of initiatives taken by the bank, and as far as Indian Bank is concerned, customer support level is very high. That we have seen that not only in Hyderabad or Chennai, most of the places, the satisfaction level. And during 1 month back, we have gone for, interestingly, we have gone for external outsourced model of customer satisfaction index. We have gone through that, and we have seen that that is not only in metros as well as in rural also. And with these words, I once again request all of you to support Indian Bank wherever possible, new accounts opening, and your own friends and relatives, you can give some guidance or leads so that bank will prosper. And if the bank is prosper, definitely all the stakeholders will be getting that benefit. Thank you.